Hey there, health warriors! Are you ready to transform your journey with a recipe that's not just delicious but also supports your weight loss goals? Today, I'm sharing a quick, easy, and super nutritious recipe that's a game changer for anyone looking to shed those extra pounds. Let's dive right in. 1 cup of fresh spinach, a half cup of chopped cucumber, a half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a half cup of unsweetened almond milk, juice of a half a lemon, a pinch of salt and pepper. First, let's get our ingredients ready. We've got spinach for those powerful antioxidants, cucumber to keep things refreshing, and avocado for healthy fats that keep you feeling full. The chia seeds add fiber and omega-3s, and almond milk keeps it light. Finally, a zesty kick of lemon juice and a pinch of seasoning bring it all together. Add these ingredients into a blender in a well-lit kitchen setting. Now, here's the fun part. Just toss all these beautiful ingredients into your blender. Pro tip: start with the liquid at the bottom to help everything blend smoothly and boil. Blend it up until it's nice and creamy. Blender whirs, and the mixture turns into a vibrant green smoothie. Pours the smoothie into a clear glass and garnishes it with a slice of lemon and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Look at that gorgeous color. It's packed with nutrients and flavor, and trust me, it tastes as amazing as it looks. Let's give it a try. Takes a sip and smiles brightly. Refreshing, creamy, and so satisfying. This is perfect as a breakfast option, a post-workout refuel, or even a midday snack. If you loved this recipe and want more simple, healthy, and weight loss friendly ideas, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Share this video with a friend who's on their health journey, and let me know in the comments your favorite weight loss friendly ingredient. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.